Working in Japan as a Nigerian can be an exciting opportunity filled with unique experiences. To get started, the first step is to research thoroughly about the types of jobs available in Japan. Fields such as IT, hospitality, English teaching, and engineering often have openings for foreign workers. Understanding the job market will help you identify the opportunities that suit your skills and qualifications. Once you've identified your area of interest, the next step is to prepare your resume and cover letter. It's essential to tailor these documents to highlight your relevant qualifications and experiences aligned with the Japanese job market. Ensure that your communication skills, both in English and any Japanese language proficiency, are prominently mentioned, as these are valuable assets for potential employers. Now that you have your application materials prepared, it's time to search for job openings. Utilize job portals, recruitment agencies, and networking opportunities to find available positions. Websites specifically catering to foreigners or expats often have listings for jobs in Japan. It's also helpful to reach out to companies directly, showcasing your interest and qualifications, as many companies value proactive candidates. After securing a job offer, the next critical step is to obtain the necessary visa. Consult the Japanese embassy or consulate for guidance on the types of work visas available and the application process. Typically, you would need a certificate of eligibility from your employer, alongside your completed visa application and other required documents. It's important to submit accurate and complete documentation to avoid delays. Upon receiving your visa, prepare for your move to Japan. This includes arranging accommodation, figuring out transportation, and understanding the culture. Learning basic Japanese phrases can greatly ease your transition, as it shows respect for the local culture and enhances communication. Familiarize yourself with Japanese customs and workplace etiquette to make a positive impression on your new colleagues. Once you arrive in Japan, complete the required onboarding and participate in any mandatory orientation sessions. This is your chance to learn more about your workplace, meet your coworkers, and immerse yourself in the vibrant culture. Engage actively within your community, as building relationships will make your stay more enjoyable and fulfilling. Finally, remain adaptable and open-minded. Working abroad can be challenging, but it's also a uniquely rewarding experience that can broaden your horizons. Thank you for watching Zakanya TV.